Hello everyone, welcome to Vasul Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, can you check out the other YouTubers? One important thing, guys, if you want to book one-on-one reading with me, there are few different readings which I have introduced recently at an affordable price. So you can check out in the description box below. The second most important thing, guys, is that if you want to join me for a session for workshop for numerology and tarot learning online by WhatsApp video call and Skype video call, the details are given in the description box below. The third most important thing, guys, is that if you want to be a part of a soul giveaway, the details are given in the description box below. The fourth thing is that if you want to join my live sessions on daily basis on my Facebook page between 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Indian Standard Time, the details are given in the description box below. The last thing is that kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment down below if you know what kind of videos you want me to upload. Okay, so yes guys, and kindly like, share and subscribe because daily I am uploading few different readings. Okay, so yes guys, yeah, so this is the reading for Libras for the month of June 2020. Okay, so this is for Libra. Okay, in the first while initiating the video, I wrongly spelled the zodiac, so this is for Libra. Okay, so yes. Okay, so we'll be doing on basically 4 different topics, that is romance, career, relationship and finance. So whichever suits you the best, whichever area you would like to know about, just go with that and leave the rest. Okay, so yes, and let's check out what's going on with the Libras. Okay, in the field of romance, in their romantic love life. Okay, so yeah, Ace of Pentacles. Wow. Career is 2 of Swords. Relationship is Temperance. And finances 7 of Pentacles. Okay, so let me check out what's going on with romantic love life. Okay, so there is an opportunity of love which is coming towards you when it comes to your romantic love life, Libras. Okay, so yeah, if you were dealing with manipulative people around you in the past, then those energies are coming to an end. If there were few manipulative people which were playing an important role into your romantic love life, so those things are coming to an end. Okay, and with the Fool card and with the King of Swords, I think you are starting to start something new. Okay, so there is a new beginning happening for you. New beginning in your romantic love life is taking place for you, and you are gaining a clarity. Okay, gaining a clarity for this particular connection into your romantic love life. Okay, so there is a new beginning happening. So you have to take a risk, you have to take a leap of faith, and you have to trust in the process of this universal process, and you have to jump it out. Okay, like you can see that this Fool, the person, his he's carefree. Okay, it's an immature energy, so yeah, he's carefree, so he'll be taking a leap of faith and he'll be trusting the universe and he'll be jumping out. Okay, so you have to trust in the process. Okay, because there is some new things will be coming into your life. Okay, so yes, and let's check out what's going on with your romantic love life more. You are gaining a clarity when it comes to your romantic love life. What are those particular things which you want Libra into your life? Okay, into your romance. Okay, yeah, so you will be removing any obstacles or this any manipulative people who will be coming into your romantic love life. Okay, so yeah, so you will be working hard towards removing an obstacles, towards removing manipulative people, manipulative energies, manipulative negative peoples around you. Okay, so which is a very good thing. And let's talk about your career, Libras. Career is like 2 of Swords, so there is a releasing of a confusion is taking place. If you were confused into your career before, so you are releasing all those energy. You are giving a high intuition level into your life when it comes to your career, because what are those particular things which you want from your life. Okay, and uh, what are those new offers which you want to go for. Okay, so yes, and yeah, there are two choices which you will be supposed to make. Okay, so you can see that this person is dwelling between two choices, two options and two directions. Okay, so there will be two choices which will be offered to you, so it will be on you that which part you want to go for, which direction you want to go for. Okay, yes, and someone is rushing in with an offer towards you, or you are moving forward with an offer, like with your choice, with your answer, which with your direction. Okay, you are gaining a lot of high intuition level when it comes to your career life. Okay, yeah, you are releasing all the confusion levels. Okay, you are gaining your power back, and you'll be making wise decisions when it comes to your career life. Okay, so if you had any stuck energy in the past, so you are coming out of that stuck energy, you are coming out of that problems, that sadness, that worriness, and you will be choosing an option and taking a direction to move forward into your life, into your career, which path you would like to choose. Okay, and you are gaining a lot of clarity when it comes to your career life. Okay, yes, and really you are releasing all the sadness, problems, burdens, worries when it comes to your career life, if you had any. Okay, and you are gaining a clarity that which path you are supposed to choose. Okay, so let's check out what's going on with your relationship. Okay, so I can see that there either you are dealing with a Sagittarius, or else you are being patient enough when it comes to your relationship. Yeah, some sort of movement is taking place. Okay, so first let me tell you that this part is for everyone. Okay, this reading is for everyone, for single couples, people who are married, people who are married and separated, for every single person out there this reading is. Okay, so take whichever part suits you best and leave the rest. Okay, so yes, yeah, so let's continue. When it comes to your relationship, Libras, you are being patient enough when it comes to your communication, when it comes to your traveling, when it comes to your give and equal give and take into a relationship. Okay, yes, you are releasing all the burdens, problems and confusions if you had with this connection, with this relationship. Okay, and yeah, I think if if you were in a separation with someone, so you will be reconciling with your person. And if there are people who are single, then an offer of love towards someone might be coming, like someone might offer a cup of love towards you, Libras. Okay, and that's the best part. Yeah, you will be moving forward towards it. You will be you will be highly indecisive. Okay, when it comes to this connection, this offer. Okay, so you will be very confused whether you want to move ahead with this connection or not, whether you want this particular connection in your life or not. Okay, but I think you will be choosing it and you will be moving forward towards it. Okay, so yes, this is for single. Okay, so if you are single and if you don't have any partner right now, so a partner might come with an offer into your love life. Okay, yes, yeah, or else or if there are married people, okay, they can walk away from a relationship as well. Okay, so there are three energies I'm picking up. The first one is who are single, they might enter into a relationship because of an offer of love. The second one is that people who are already married, who are already into a relationship, they might walk away from a relationship, like getting out of a relationship. And the third is that the people who are into separation right now, they might reconcile, reunite. Okay, so yeah, three different energies are there, Libras, for you. Take whichever part resonates you for the best. Okay, so yeah, let me check it out what's going on with your financial life. Okay, so there were, I think I feel there were disappointments when it comes to your finances. Okay, you were not happy with your finances, you were stuck up with your finances. Okay, so yeah, if your money was stuck up somewhere, that might be coming out and a justice will be served to you. And if you were conflicted with your finances, if you are trapped into your head with your finances, so do not worry, because someone is rushing in towards you when it comes to your financial abundance, financial stability. Okay, because money, whatever money was stuck over there, you are regaining your power back, you are releasing all this stuck energy from your mind, from your heart, and you are regaining your power back. And or whatever pentacles, like whatever money you are working for, all those stuck energy, like all those money will be coming out. Okay, so do not worry about it, because those money will be really helpful to you, and money will be coming out. Okay, so don't worry about it. It's just that the time is not the best for you right now when it comes to your financial matters. But in the month of June, July, August, like basically July end will be good for you when it comes to your financial matters. Okay, yeah, you are manifesting all the abundance money related thing, because you are a lot going on into your head when you have a lot of stuck energy. Okay, so do not worry about it, because you are manifesting this you are regaining your power, and you are manifesting this financial abundance into your life. Okay, so it will be coming, justice will be served to you at the right time. Okay, right now the time is not good, so in the upcoming weeks and upcoming months, might be there is a possibility that you will be regaining your power back, and you will be taking an action towards your finances. Okay, what are the things you are supposed to do? Okay, so yes, so do not worry about it. Yes, yeah, so there is you are going through some internal transformation into your financial life. Okay, you will be regaining your power back. Okay, you will be leading your life, you will be very authoritative figure in the month of June, and you will be regaining your power back, and you are going through some internal healing, internal transformation. And once this transformation comes to an end into your financial life, then I think you will be regaining your power, and then justice will be served to you when it comes to your financial matters, financial abundance, financial money related things, financial opportunities. Okay, so yes, let me check out few healing cards. Okay, so first popped out already. What are universe, please tell me what are 3 universal messages. Okay, so here is the first message, here is the second message for you Libras, and here is the third message. Okay, so we have got 5 messages for you. Okay, I haven't done anything, so I just got it. So I'll be reading one on one for everything. Okay, so the first healing message is for healthy goals. Okay, so this is for healthy goals, I hope you can see. Okay, so this is for I now observe my life from a broad objective perspective, so I can give birth to healthier relationship and career situations. Okay, so your broader your perspective will be changed after this transformation, and that is what this reading is telling me, that your perspective will definitely change, because that card is all about internal transformation, internal healing. Okay, so yes. The second is for healthy joy. If my loved ones are in pain, I do not try to smoother them with love, trying to make them happy. I can support them and allow them space to experience their feelings. That's a beautiful message for joy. Give people their own space. That's the best part. And once they are happy, once they are satisfied and content with their life, then you can bring happiness into their life. Let them sort out their problems first. Okay, so the third healing message for fear, if you are fearing from something, is that I now learn from past disappointing relationships, so I can release the anger and sadness and move on to more fulfilling ones. Okay, yes. The fourth message is for healthy joyous life. I effectively communicate my feelings to others whether I am happy or not. Beautiful message. And the fifth healing message is for you. This is for I am not valuable unless I am taking care of someone else's need. So if you feel that you are not valuable enough in a relationship, so universe has a message for you, that I love with wisdom. I nurture and support others as much as I nurture and support myself. Okay, so that's a beautiful message in our relationship. Okay, so let's pull out few the sacred Indian tarot cards. Okay, the 3 messages for you. I really like this deck. Okay, basically, and I don't know why, but these are really big and huge, and it's like really good to read. Okay, this the first message, the second message, and the third message. Let me pull out one more card. Okay, so the third message. Okay, so yeah, so we have the justice, that is Nyay, the devil, the Asura, and the Vidushak, that is the fool. Okay, so yeah, same cards are coming, like the fool came into your reading as well, justice also came into your reading. It's beautiful, like the reading is the same. Okay, so I'll be reading it from the book because I have received this book yesterday only. So let me tell you what's going on with it. So the fool is all about Vidushak. Okay, so this represents something which is related to innocence, unrealized potential, and life journey. So there is a new beginning happening, coming into your life, okay, in the month of June, and this will bring a lot of unrealized potential. You will be able to understand yourself, okay, and this new beginning will bring a lot of new opportunities, new life, new collaborations, new clients, new finance, new love, okay, or else past love. Okay, so new beginning in existing relationship also it might happen. Okay, so this will be this will, universe is trying to tell you that this will create a beautiful life journey for you in the month of June. Okay, so let me keep it here, over here. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so the second is the devil was also there into your reading already. This is Asura. Okay, so the, the devil is all about bound to a particular idea, obsession, and manipulation of others. That is what in the reading I told you, that there will be some sort of manipulative people into your life, in your financial things, or else into your romantic love life. So just be careful about it, or else if you are being manipulative in the past, so release this energy, because a lot of positive energies universe wants you to go for. Okay, so just be aware of the people around you in the month of June. Okay, the third is all about the justice. Okay, so the justice is all about Nyay. Okay, so whatever things you were dealing with in the past, which you felt that was not right, then Nyay will be taking place according to Indian mythology, Ramayana and Mahabharata. This tells me that a fair conclusion of the matter, successful legal dealings. Okay, so even if it's your romantic love life, even if it's your career life, okay, so successful conclusions, fair dealings will be taking place for you. Okay, so you do not have to worry, because things will get better for you. Okay, yes guys. Okay, so this was for the month of June. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. And also one more important thing, kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Libras. And one important thing guys is, kindly comment down below which kind of readings you want me to go for. Okay, and also one more thing, if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me, there are the link given in the description box below at an affordable price. You can check it out. There is a particular section for an affordable readings. And second most important thing guys is that if you want to book sessions with me for numerology and tarot learning workshop, the details are given in the description box below. And the third most important thing guys, if you want to support my channel with the help of donation, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so kindly like, kindly share and kindly subscribe. Okay, so these three things you have to do. Okay, so bye guys, thank you so much.